properly yet, so the guys that own this car, they're gonna have to fit it up perfectly. There is a little dent on the side of the door there, but that can be easily removed by a dent remover guy. But what I decided to do on this one was do a black on blue theme, just like the last one. The only difference is that I took the roof part off. So up here, or not the roof, the hood part, and up here the roof is still black with this chrome, you know, outline right there. So it's kind of interesting. This black wing back here has it's an add-on. So the stock one sits right here, and this part is just added on. Now I didn't what I should do is cut along here, but this part is not attached. You have to kind of mold it onto there. So they kind of want me to just leave it as it is for now, and then when they're ready to mold it on, I will cut along that edge right there, and it will be two separate pieces. But it's an add-on duckbill, which is very interesting. Down here, the little bumper pieces, you guys know how expensive those things are just to get your hands on the regular ones, and these ones are custom. So I don't even know where you get this. Some guy makes it. I'll have to find out who does it, but these things make it look so much nicer. As you can see there, this car's got some two-piece wheels. I got my brand right there. And here on these side skirts, I did I painted the inside of it black gloss, and then I painted on the little vents right here black gloss as well. It's just easier to paint it and then wrap around it and then cut it out. Down here in the inlets, I did the same thing, except that big part down on the bottom, that inlet is painted as well. So as you can see on this side, it really doesn't fit. The front bumper hasn't been drilled and fitted. Normally there's two screws that go into there. So, and then all the lights need to be put on there. But man, doesn't that look super awesome? Looks so good. I really like the black top with the black mirrors, and they're gonna get some three-piece work wheels, and I think they're black gloss wheels as well. So that's gonna be styling. All right, guys. So if you guys like this video and you like the content of my channel, please like and subscribe. Follow these guys. They're called VRF Design on Instagram, and you can see the rest of the build when they do up the whole motor with the wheels and all that. So I'm really excited to see how this will turn out. Until next time, I'll catch you guys later.